Friends, it's time for us to do a little bit of letter practice. So now we've done our lowercase letters this week, and we've practiced naming the letter and its sound. So now today, Miss Tobin wants you to tell me the letter all by yourself, and then we're going to do the sound together. Are you ready? I say letter is, sound is A. Letter is, sound is B. Letter is, sound is K. Letter is, sound is D. Letter is, sound is E. Letter is, sound is F. Letter is, sound is G. Letter is, sound is H. Letter is, sound is I. Letter is, sound is J. Letter is, sound is K. Letter is, sound is L. Letter is, sound is M. Letter is, sound is N. Letter is, sound is A. Letter is, sound is P. Letter is, sound is Qu. Letter is, sound is Letter is, sound is S. Letter is, sound is T. Letter is, sound is Letter is, sound is V. Letter is, sound is W. Letter is, sound is X. Letter is, sound is Y. Letter is, sound is Z. Friends, awesome job labeling your letters today. Keep up the great work. You can practice this anytime throughout the week for extra practice.